Hi everyone, Unfiltered here. So this is the Hyodo wallet, and it all started with them commenting on my video with the tier list from like 2 years ago. Let me guide you through this funny story. I respond, let's make it happen, send it over. I get no response. I thought, well, maybe they just don't check the comments. Let's DM them. So I DM them, ask them, hey, you commented on my video, let's make it happen. Send one over and I'll include it in my new tier list. They once again ignore me, and after emails, DMs, and comments, I still didn't get any response. And well, I'm always in the market for wasting my own money if it's any good for my viewers. So here we are. I bought it. It was crazy expensive and all that with knowing full well that their return policy is basically non-existent, which is another red flag for you, the customer, as thinking, well, I don't like this enough. It's just not enough reason to get your money back on this product, apparently, which would be straight up illegal here in Europe, but I digress. I spent the money, waited for a bit, and sure enough, it arrived. I was pretty hyped still, as I was hoping it would actually be really good. Sadly though, that wasn't the case. This whole wallet has a story. They wanted to combat waste, so their inserts are basically without magnets. And when they are used up or destroyed, or just want another one, change things up, you can easily replace it and keep this metal attachment plate where you would attach the wallet inserts to. Great idea, and I really mean that. And just the plate alone holds on better than the entire Ridge wallet. So there is that. The plate alone weighs 44 grams, which isn't half bad, and this first attachment I have here is only 22 grams. This is called the flexi stand plate. It consists of basically two pockets within this flexible material, and in the biggest pocket, one card holds on very well. 2 move a little with the shake test, and 3 fly out with the shake test. In the front pocket, even just one card flies out. So I'd say unless you want 2 cards in there at a max, it's pretty useless. But still, the 2 cards in there with the front pocket for cash, I mean, there is a use case. It's also incredibly thin at like 5 millimeters with 2 cards in there, which is about 0.2 inches. And even though the backplate is made of a vegan leather material, it holds on pretty well because it's so thin, this combination. So just this combo here would actually be pretty nice. But then that combo just costs a whopping 90 USD. I mean, come on, it's not that good. So then you take this tool with it, you push it out as it's basically stuck on there, and then you put on a new one, like the classic 2.0. Now, I must say, these inserts sit really strongly on the plate. There's basically no way to detach from the plate, like at all, so that's great. This classic one is a wallet where you put the cards in from the side. 1 flies out, 2 and 3 stays in, so I guess it's better. But it's still annoying since when you grab one card and one is left in there, then the other one becomes loosely in there. Also really thin at 5 millimeters, but yeah, the Spigen MagSafe wallet folder pop does this better, and it costs like 1/5 the price because you have to get the full Magbase kit to get this. And then lastly, the classic 2.0 insert. Actually, the best performing one holds in whatever amount of cards, but up to 3, and acts as a kickstand too, which has that folding out design, much like Moth done with theirs. I mean, it works well, but now we're at the usual thickness of like 9 millimeters, so the ultra thin aspect is gone now. Because of that, you can also now just push the wallet off pretty easily actually. And the advantages it had quickly disappear. It also has this edge now, which I understand as the other side of the kickstand thing is locked to the plate, but it looks so unaesthetic. And this brand basically markets itself as a really aesthetic premium solution, only for it then to fall back to the usual design, but with a fancy way of using it. So basically, the conclusion with this wallet combination is that if you want to waste your money, this is perfect. Otherwise, this actually encourages waste as it's scrappier than a wallet 1/5 the price. Sorry guys, I know you clicked on this video because you were hyped about this product with all these short form Instagram videos showcasing this, but it's actually not worth it. I mean, it's actually fantastic. Any of you guys want to buy this off me?